What's up guys, Ronald here for Yuga Tech, and the Redmi Note 12 just landed in the Philippine shores, and on top of that tier is the Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus 5G. It has a massive 200 megapixel Samsung ISOCELL camera, which is similar to the one on the Xiaomi 12T Pro. If you want to know more about this device, then continue watching. Compared to the Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus 5G, the Redmi 12 Pro Plus is actually a little thicker at 9mm and a tiny bit heavier. It more or less has the same design profile, although the latter has a bit more tapered edges. In some sense, the Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus looks a lot like the Xiaomi 13, especially with that glossy back panel. Up front, you get a large 6.67-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED panel with a resolution of 2400 by 1080 producing 395 ppi with 120Hz refresh rate. As expected on an AMOLED panel, it has true blacks with punchy colors and great details, although the bezels are a little bit too thick for our taste. For buttons and ports, you have the volume control on the right side along with the power button, USB Type-C charging port, speaker grill, and primary microphone down at the bottom, secondary speaker up top, along with the noise-cancelling microphone and an IR blaster. Overall, the design and build quality of the Note 12 Pro Plus looks and feels premium and can pass off as a more affordable alternative to the flagship Xiaomi 13 series. Headlining the triple camera setup on the Note 12 Pro Plus is the 200 megapixel Samsung ISOCELL HPX sensor with an aperture of 1.65 and has an optical image stabilization. This is paired up with the 8 megapixel ultra-wide with an aperture of 1.9 and a 2 megapixel macro lens with an aperture of 2.4. Video recording goes up to 4K at 30 frames per second or 1080p up to 60 frames per second, while slow-mo video goes up to 720p at 960 frames per second. Front-facing camera, on the other hand, is 16 megapixel sensor with 1080p video recording at 60 frames per second. Here are some of the initial shots that we took with the main camera. Powering the Note 12 Pro Plus is a MediaTek Dimensity 1080, which is a mid-range chip that's already good for gaming, yet also power efficient and has 5G capability. This is composed of an ARM Cortex A78 2.6 GHz and a Mali G68MC4 GPU. Our review unit has 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of internal storage, but there's an option for 12 GB of RAM as well. What's a little bummer is they use a slightly older UFS 2.2 storage here, so read and write speeds are slightly slower compared to the newer UFS 3.1 or UFS 4.0 technology. If you are interested in benchmark scores, here's the result flashing it on screen right now. The 5000 mAh battery that comes with this device has support for 120-watt hypercharge that claims to charge from 0 to 100% in just 19 minutes. That's one of the fastest in the market right now. And did we say it uses a GAN charger as well? We will also put results of our battery test in our full review, so stay tuned for that. As of the creation of this video, we haven't got any pricing for the Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus 5G, but once we do have that info, we will be putting it in the description box below. For now, what do you guys think about the Redmi Note 12 Pro 5G? Do let us know in the comment section below, and if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future uploads, and don't forget to follow us on Facebook, TikTok, and Twitter, and visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Once again, this has been Arel. I'll catch you guys in the next video.